Are you tired of struggling with web scraping tools and wasting a lot of time? Don't worry, we can make scrapping easy using make.com.
In this video, I will show you how you can scrap a website and store the relevant information you need into a Google Sheet. This will help you to act swiftly and compete in the market by saving costs, increasing the accuracy of result, gaining a time to market advantage, and obtaining high quality data.
Welcome to MSQ Automation Solution. Our client's most requested topic is regarding how to scrap a website. So, in this video, we will talk about how you can scrap a website using make.com. In this video, I will show you how you can pull data from a website that help you to personalize emails for analyzing your competitors and product analysis and so on. There are millions of use cases on make.com. Scrapping is one of its use cases. So, let's dive into the scenario.
So let's start the scenario with the HTTP module. So we will choose make a request HTTP module. So here you can see that you can map the URL, you can give the method. So all these basic methods are there. So for giving the URL, I'm going to choose my company website, that is www.msq.pro. So I will show you how I scrap things from there. So I'm passing the website URL there. Once I have done, I will run this module. So yeah, you can see that the execution has been completed, and you can see the status code as 200, and you can see in the data section a long string of HTML code. So next what we need to do is that we will use the text parser to convert the HTML to a formatted text. So once we connect that, we will map the data into text parser, and we will press the OK button, and we will run the scenario. And you can see that the HTML is converted into a formatted text, a long string. So from this string, we are going to scrap the informations. So in order to get those information, we will depend upon the OpenAI modules. So we will use the OpenAI's create a completion module. So here in this OpenAI module, when we open it, we can see that you can take the connection and you can select the method. I have selected create a chat completion GPT models, and you can choose the model. Here I had chosen GPT-4 as the model. And there are basically roles. There are system, user, assistant. So on the role 1, I'm going to select the system, and there is a message content, and I'm going to type the content as you are a website scrapping expert or something like that. And on the next section, I will add the message. I'm going to add the role as user. So I have selected user, and on the message content, I'm going to type about what the things I need. So basically I need the about of the website. So I'm just typing tell me about the website, and tell me about the website, and use the JSON format below, and provide only JSON as output. So I'm saying that I need to know about the website, and I will pass the JSON format, and I need the output also as a JSON. So in that format, I'm giving about. So on the curly bracket, inside that I'm giving about, and I also need to know about the products in this website. So I'm going to pass product inside double quotes. Yeah, so once it has been set, I will add one more message. Then I will choose a role as user, and I will pass the text from the text parser. So I'll click the OK button, and you can choose the maximum tokens. So once it has been fixed, what I do is that I will run the scenario. Scenario is running. Let's wait for 1 second. Scenario has been completed. You can see the choice is basically an array. Inside that there will be message, inside that there will be content. So yeah, we got the about of the company and the products in the company as a JSON format. Cool, right? So what we need to do next is that we are going to pass this JSON into a parse JSON module. For that, we will change the parse JSON module and we will map the JSON string from the OpenAI. So I will choose the choice message content and I will map here. Once it has been done, I will run the scenario. Let's wait for 1 second. Scenario is running. Basically, OpenAI takes more time. Yeah, scenario has been completed. Let's go and check the output. See, we have got the about and product. Cool, right? So yeah, likewise we can also map these things or store in, for example, we can store this in Google Sheet, etc. So I'll show you how we can store these things in Google Sheet. So for whenever a new row has been added, I will show you, like in Google Sheet we will watch for new rows, and this is the Google Sheet where you can see URL is there, about and product is there. So I'll set the limit as 1 and I will choose the spreadsheet ID. I think I need to take the connection. So I have taken the connection. Again, I am going to choose the spreadsheet ID. So website scrapping is the Google Sheet which I made, and I will select the sheet name. So for now I am choosing manually. You can set this. So I have already mapped one URL on the Google Sheet. You can map the URL from the Google Sheet, and after we need to store it somewhere. For that we will use update a row module of Google Sheet. So what we do is that we will select the spreadsheet ID. Yeah, the website scrapping is a spreadsheet ID, and after that we will choose the sheet name and row number we will map from watch module, and we will map the about and product from the parse JSON. Cool. Once this has been set, we will align it and we will run the scenario. Let's wait for 1 second. Scenario is running. Yeah, I think it has been updated. Let's check the Google Sheet. Cool. About and product of that particular URL has been updated. Likewise, you can add another URL and this will update automatically.
In this part, I had shown you how you can scrap a website to pull the information. Here, I had used an HTTP module to get the HTML format of the website. After that, I had used an HTML to text module to convert this format to text. And finally, I had given this to ChatGPT. In the next part, I will show you more deeply about the scrapping.
So let's start the scenario. So now we will scrap another website. So I'm going to scrap a website known as Zillow. So Zillow is basically a place where you can buy, rent, sell home loans, agent window, etc. So you can see the homes available in different locations. These are the homes available, and you can also see the amount, the details along with that. You can also search the houses that are available in a particular address, like enter an address, neighbor, city or zip code, etc. So here I'm going to select the houses in San Francisco. So I'm going to choose San Francisco and I'm going to search that. So yeah, the result has been generated. These are the houses that are available in San Francisco. So there are good amount of houses to be there, and these are for sale, and you can see that information about the houses, and you can also see the address under that. There are n number of houses, and you can also see the mapping there. So now I'm going to scrap this website to get particular informations. So for that I'm taking the URL, and I'm starting with the HTTP make a request module. So I'm selecting that make a request module, and I have copied that URL. I'm going to paste here, and I'm going to click the OK button and running the scenario. Scenario has been completed, and you can see that status code is 200, and we will get HTML output. So what we need to do is that we need to convert, so we will use the text parser. So by text parsers HTML to text, we convert this HTML to formatted text. We will map the data here. We will again run the scenario. You can see that all the information about that website has been obtained in text format, about the houses, about their details, etc. So you can see that these are the rent and these are the address. So let's check here. So here only there are things. There are their address, and these are the URLs of that particular houses. So starting with Zillow.com home details. These are the houses in San Francisco. So there are good amount of URLs, and each URLs represent a home in different places in San Francisco. So this is one URL, and you can see another URL here. So each URLs represents each homes in San Francisco. This is another URL. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to get all these URLs of these houses. So for that I need to use a match pattern. So I need to use the regex for that. So basically regex will help you to get all the information required. For if you want to know more, you can learn about regex expression. That is the regular expression. Here regular expression 101 basically help you to build regex formulas. You can pass here in the text string. So I'm going to map the text here, and I have tried this. So I'm going to type here the pattern. So I'm going to run the scenario. I think with my regex formula I will get all the URLs of the houses in San Francisco. Let's wait. Cool. Yeah, you can see that we have obtained the URLs of the houses in different places of San Francisco. Cool, right? I think there are 36 bundle. So I'm going to select one of these things and I'm going to try in my browser. So I'm going to search it. Cool, right? This is that the output. So this is one of the house in San Francisco. You can see the home rent and the details, bed, bath, square feet. You can see the estimation per month. You can see the different images, and you can read the what special is and accordingly there are so many information about that home is there. Cool, right? So now we have got 36 bundle of houses. So 36 bundle of output. So I'm going to scrap more details from there. So for that I'm going to take the HTTP module. So make a request, and here I'm going to map the URL from the match pattern. So I don't want to waste 36 operations. So here I'm going to fixing a filter.
I'm going to try for only one bundle, so number less than or equal to 1. Sorry, it won't work, so I need to set the filter again. Number operator less than 2, I guess. Yeah, less than 2. That means only one bundle will pass. So filters are very important in make.com. So we will run the scenario. Let's wait for 1 second. Yeah, scenario has been completed. Let's see the output. Yeah, status code is 200. So again we need to convert this HTML to text format. So we will map the data. So and we will again run the scenario. Scenario is running. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so we have obtained the information of the website in a text format. You can see the bedrooms and bathrooms, primary bedroom, and the kitchen, properties, construction, community. All the details in that website is be obtained in the form of text. Cool, right? Now let's search that. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to the browser and I'm going to search that. Yeah, this is the home in San Francisco and this is the home rent. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and 1,000 square feet. And another information, all the information is the bedrooms, bathrooms, dining room, kitchen, etc. All these things is there. So I need to scrap the home rent. So that is my next requirement. So for that, what I need to do is that, so basically, yeah, this is the home rent. I need to scrap this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm using the text parsers match pattern module. I think regex. Using regex, I can easily scrap it. So I'm using the text parser match a pattern and I'm going to map the text from the HTML to text module. And learning regex is one other important thing. So I have tried this before. So I have set up a pattern to obtain the home rent. So I'm going to type there. After that, I'm going to press the OK button and I'm running the scenario. Let's wait and check whether we will get the home rent. See, we obtained the home rent. Cool, right? So like this way we can easily obtain the requirement we need. So what we did is that we will take an HTTP module, then text parser, then again match pattern, use regex formula to obtain the URLs of the homes, and when we again use the HTTP module and we'll convert it as a text using the HTML to text. After that, according to our requirement, we can fix the regex. For me, I need to scrap the rent, so I used the regex formula for scrapping the rent. Now we need to store all this information to somewhere to make the things more easily to analyze the things like their rents and all. For that, I'm going to create a Google Sheet known as website scrapping, where there are URLs, home URLs, and their corresponding rent is there. My main idea is this, to make the analyze more easily. For the triggering, I am using watch a neural module of Google Sheet, and I connected with this module. And here I'm going to take the connection. And after that, I'm going to choose the spreadsheet ID. Here my spreadsheet ID name is website scrapping, so I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to choose its name, that sheet 1. And here now I'm setting the limit as 1, so I pressed OK. So you can choose where to start. So I'm going to remove the URL because no longer needs. So I'm going to mapping the URL from the Google Sheet, and I'm going to the Google Sheet website scrapping, and I'm going to post this URL here. So you can see that when we select choose manually, that particular item will be appeared here. So I'm going to choose that. So and yeah, all these are perfect. Now what we need to do is that we need to store this information. Like for that we will use add arrow module of Google Sheet. Add arrow module Google Sheet. So we will choose the spreadsheet ID as the website scrapping, and you can see you can select the select here, and you can select the sheet name as sheet 1. So corresponding values will be appears like URL, home URL, rent. Here you can map the home URL from the output of the match pattern, and also the rent as the output of match pattern, and click OK. Now we can save the scenario and we can auto align it. See, triggering has started, scenario is running, all the things are pushing into the Google Sheet. All home URLs and the rents has been updated. Now with this information, we can easily analyze which home have higher rents, enabling us to make informed decisions. This process helps us to reduce the time required for analyze, as scrap data is stored in an easily accessible manner. So scrapping a website consists of different advantages, and one of its top 5 advantages that we can efficiently collect the data, and we have real-time data updates. We can analyze the competitive between our competitors, market research, and time and cost efficiency, etc.
If you enjoyed this video and if you want more interesting videos like this, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.